Wouldn't it be nice to lose inches without pain, downtime, or side effects, and to do it in just a few weeks?
It's called the Zerona. The Zerona.
Zerona.
The Zerona laser.
We'll show you how the Zerona laser works.
Each diode delivers a laser beam to a portion of the body.
Zerona was the first non-invasive procedure for eliminating fat, and it does just that.
I love it because it's fast, it's quick, it's a great lunchtime procedure. You have to do nothing on your part, you don't feel anything on your part, you just in 2 weeks are a newer, slimmer you.
Zerona works by using a patented low-level laser that operates at a wavelength of 635 nanometers and emits no heat. Simply put, the laser works by stimulating adipocyte cells and emulsifying the fat within the cell. Once stimulated, a transitory pore is formed and the emulsified triglycerides and fatty acids are released into the interstitial space and pass through the body during its normal course of detoxification.
My name is Jonathan Horgan. I've done the 28 treatments of Zerona. I've lost 19.5 inches. Well, honestly, I just got like a flyer in the mail, and I just looked through it and then did a little bit of research online, and I thought it was definitely worth looking into. Honestly, at the beginning, I was a little bit skeptical too, because really when going through the research, there wasn't anyone of my size that I noticed in any of the videos and stuff, but coming here and within the first week and a half, I started losing inches and my pants were fitting better. I needed to buy a new belt by Christmas. It was awesome. It was probably around the third or fourth treatment that I really started to notice a real difference. It's beyond worth it. I was shocked every single time I had a measurement and saw how many inches of fat that I'd lost.
I had a baby 7 months ago. I have struggled with my weight and self-esteem my entire adolescent life. And after the baby, I gained, while I was pregnant, I gained 50 pounds. And after I had her, I felt horrible about myself, and that's when I opened up the magazine page. I saw Zerona and the advertisement. I came and talked to the girls, and it was the best thing I ever did. I was so pleased that I have no words for it. I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm motivated, I feel healthier, I feel energetic, I feel better about myself. Zerona has given me basically a whole new lifestyle.
So when it comes to Zerona, my interest definitely stems from the advocacy of the treatment, the fact of how it works and how well it works, and the fact that it does work for everyone. So this is a technology that, yes, it could be considered cosmetics, as we are aiding in fat reduction, but the fact that we've brought in cosmetics and the health benefits of this treatment together is exactly what makes it what it is today. My favorite part about Zerona is the guarantee, is the fact that I know in every patient I consult with, they will have a result. And I know that before our conversation even begins, which as someone who is providing that technology is extremely reassuring, because I know that I'm not gonna have a patient in 1 month or 6 months that's gonna come back to me upset. So I'm offering them what it is truly is a gift. As a consumer and someone who is going to be promoting it, you want to make sure it actually works. There's so many technologies in the industry. None of them have been approved. Some of them are dangerous and don't work. So this was that light bulb that kind of flicked on, and if it can work for me, when I thought maybe nothing would work, it can work for everyone.
I would say that I am thankful to Zerona because the kind of promises I make to my client, this treatment, it helps me to fulfill their dreams basically. So I'm thankful to Zerona for that. Giving them the results is the most exciting part, because the moment we are on, most of them are apprehensive whether I'll lose it or I'll not. But once we start, and after 3-4 sitting, only when they can feel it, when they can feel the result, it's really a nice feeling, I like it because I've worked on different kinds of inch loss treatments. So far it's been 15 years I've been into these treatments, but I've never seen a treatment which has been doing the inches and the skin tightening and toning so well.
My wife and I were going on this vacation to Cozumel in December, and about a month before I started thinking I should have done some sit-ups, or I should have done something to get ready. I'm going to be walking around with my shirt for a month. And then I heard about Zerona. So I got online, I have a biochem degree, so I understood the science and the FDA testing and all the testimonials, so that was enough for me to get me to run into the Premier Zerona Center and get signed up. After the first treatment, my wife looked at me, she says, well, I think I can see something, which was cool. But the really neat thing was after the fourth one, the morning after, I got out of bed and I walked into the bathroom, flipped on the light, and I looked in the mirror and I just kept doing this. I was like touching my belly and looking in the mirror. I couldn't believe the change. It was like my belly, my stomach had melted away overnight. So I grabbed my robe and I go out of the bedroom, and there's sort of a mezzanine. I'm look down at my wife and my son who are having breakfast, and I went, hey, look at this. And she looked up and went, that's hot. So immediately, back to get more Zerona. I'm a football player. I used to play pro football. I've been in the gym forever. No pain, no gain. Nothing's easy. Got to grind it out has been ground into me. And it's not right. I mean, Zerona is this massive shortcut to quick fat loss. And my brain kind of short-circuited when I was standing there looking in the mirror. And I still kind of look down every once in a while, and I look at my before and after pictures and think, how did this happen so fast? Zerona is 100% real, and get some, because summer's coming.
Zerona not only removes fat in inches from the target areas, this remarkable device has been proven to have a cascading or systemic effect, impacting adjacent cells. It's because of this systemic effect that with Zerona, patients can expect to lose inches not only in the targeted areas of the waist, hips, and thighs, but in other areas where fat exists. Diverse in its mobility and application, ease of use, and ability to produce remarkable fat reduction, Zerona is a revolutionary device that will transform your practice and your patients. With the winning combination of the science of photochemistry and Zerona protocol, it's possible for your patients to lose an average of 5 or more inches from their waist, hips, and thighs in 2 weeks, painlessly, naturally, safely, and effectively.